Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install OpenOffice. OpenOffice is a free alternative to Microsoft Office. Both are really great programs. OpenOffice is provided to you free of charge, though. OpenOffice lets you create Word documents, spreadsheets, and slideshows for presentations. Many people make the comment to me, I just bought a new desktop or laptop. Office comes with it, right? Well, that's usually never the case. Office is usually provided to you on a new computer, like with a 60-day free trial, and then you have to buy it at the end. Again, OpenOffice is a free of charge program. Completely free. It's awesome. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. We're going to scroll up to Internet Explorer. We're going to double click on that. Take a second to load. We're going to clear out the address bar and we're going to type in www.openoffice.org. And hit enter. You're presented with their website. Okay. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to use our mouse and we're going to scroll down to I want to download openoffice.org. You're going to click the download now link right there. And you're presented with the next page. And the next page tells you to please contribute. It's a phenomenal program in my opinion. And they're definitely deserving of a contribution. So if you're feeling generous, please donate. But in the meantime, while you're reading the main web page, the download is queuing, and it's going to automatically pop up here in like a second or two. So, great product. Great product. Let's see here. Okay. Status bar pops up at the top. You're going to click on it. You're going to click Download Now, and you're going to hit Save. And I'm just going to save it right to my desktop. So the download's starting now. It's about 150 megabytes. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing download. That'd be absurd. But in this free time, I'll go ahead and mention that if you can't find the status bar download link that pops up on Internet Explorer, or maybe if you're using Firefox or something like that, if you scroll down on this present page, you can find the download link on the bottom. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and speed up this download for you. Here we go, world's fastest internet connection. Alright, it's downloaded. I'm going to close that. I'm going to close the large browser window. And here it is on the desktop. I'm going to go ahead and double click it. And it's going to begin to unpack. It's going to ask you if you want to run this program. I'm going to click Run. And introduction screen, click Next. This says where do you want to install the files at, or where do you want to unpack the files. It's going to unpack them to the desktop. Go ahead and click Unpack. Let this unpack. Okay, now that the files are unpacked and they're on our desktop, you can begin the installation process onto your computer. You're going to click Next. On this screen, you want to go ahead and fill out your username and your organization name if you have one. I usually leave the anyone who uses this computer button checked. We're going to click Next, and we're going to just leave it as a complete installation and click Next. And if you hit the install button, we begin the installation process. It's going to set up Java, which if you're not familiar with Java, that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. It's going to take longer on your computer. Okay, the installation is completed. You're going to go ahead and click Finish. And now you have the OpenOffice icon on your desktop. The icon on the desktop is like a launching application. It's handy. I don't use it that much. I'll show you different ways to access OpenOffice soon. It's going to ask if you want to participate in their customer service program. For this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and click No. I don't want to participate because you have to fill out extra information. Once you get past that, you're presented with a launching application. And as you can see up top here, we have text documents, we have spreadsheets, we have slideshow presentations. The other ones I haven't used so much. There's drawing, database, and formula. But I'll just go ahead and give you a little demonstration. Here's a text document. It looks very familiar, doesn't it? Let's go ahead and get out of this. Takes us back to the desktop. Let's double click on the launching application again. This time we're going to click Spreadsheet. And as you can see, pretty standard spreadsheet. This too probably looks a little familiar to you. Close that out. Now instead of going to the launching application, I'm going to go to Start. I'm going to go to all the programs. And we're going to go in Open Office. And this time I'll go into Impress, which is their presentation program. Just a different way of selecting it. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit Create here. After you hit Create, you're presented with their Impress program, which is for creating slideshows and presentations. So in summary, that's how you install OpenOffice and you open up some of its programs and stuff like that. It's a great program, it's free, and again, if you have an extra couple bucks and if you're feeling generous, please donate to them. You know, they deserve to be paid for what they do, in my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. If you have any likes or dislikes, please leave them in the comments. And if you have any requests or something, again, leave those in the comments too. And if you get a chance, visit my website, digidojo.org. Thanks.